Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, we're going to show this one in its packaging. HJC, it's another HJC graphic, does a great job with their packaging on these Marvel helmets, right? Get that like little sleeve on the outside. Super nice packaging. But it's actually Brian Van proof. Canceled. As we dive into the box, a couple of HJC stickers. This helmet's going to ship with a dark smoke screen. Love that. As well as the clear. We got a pin lock. I know right now you're thinking, dude, just get to the damn graphic already. Collectible helmet bag. Look at this. Amazing. What's in this bag? This is the first time I've seen this one. It is the all-new RPHA 11 Pro Carnage. Dude, that's a good-looking helmet, man. I like what they did here. There you have it. Another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week from our friends at HJC.